You ever look at a rock and think, bro, how did we go from this to me? Like, no offense to carbon atoms, but how the actual mitochondria did we get from dead matter to people crying in the club to Adele? Well, it's actually quite simple. No, it's not. That was a lie. This stuff is straight up cosmic sorcery. But let's try. To start, life didn't just appear like a pop-up ad for sketchy dating apps. It started with chemistry. And by chemistry, I don't mean you and your situationship. I mean atoms getting freaky. So picture Earth, 4 billion years ago. Volcanoes popping off like it's Coachella, lightning everywhere, no TikTok, no taxes, no oxygen, just chaos. In this madness, simple molecules like water, methane, and ammonia were just vibing. Then lightning hits, and bam! These molecules break and recombine into amino acids. Now hold up, amino acids? Those are like the alphabet soup of life, and if you stir them long enough, they start forming proteins. And proteins are like the IKEA furniture of biology. Complicated, weirdly folded, and somehow essential to being alive. But here's the kicker. Even if you get a soup full of amino acids and proteins, you still don't have life. That's like throwing Lego pieces on the floor and expecting a Millennium Falcon to build itself. So, what happened next? Enter RNA. Not the rock band, the molecule. RNA is like DNA's chaotic younger sibling who drops out of school but still makes millions. It can carry genetic info and act like an enzyme. Basically, it reads, writes, and edits itself like an overachiever on Adderall. So at some point, maybe in a pond, maybe in a clay puddle, maybe in a cosmic soup kitchen, RNA started copying itself. Was it good at it? Absolutely not. But sometimes, bad copies are good for evolution. One messy copy sticks around longer, another folds better, another learns how to hijack nearby molecules for snacks. Boom, natural selection. No giraffes yet, but the game just got real. Then things got juicy. Fatty molecules randomly formed bubbles in water, like tiny squishy bags, and some of those bags trapped RNA inside them. Congrats, you now have a protocell. Still not a real cell, but dangerously close to becoming something that can call you bro, unironically. These protocells floated around, bumping into things, occasionally growing, splitting, and stealing each other's molecules like primal pirates. Over time, the ones that could copy RNA faster, grab more food, or survive longer just won. That's it. That's life. So to recap, lightning plus molecules equals amino acids equals proteins, proteins plus RNA plus bubble wrap equals almost life, time, chaos, and luck equals actual life. But wait, it gets weirder. Every single cell in your body, like the trillions you carry around while doom scrolling, is descended from one of those ancient, bubbly proto-weirdos. You're literally a walking chemical accident. And I mean that in the most respectful way. So next time you look at a rock and wonder how it turned into Beyonce, just know, it took 4 billion years, some questionable decisions by RNA, and an ungodly amount of cosmic RNG. And all that just so you could sit here and watch this video. That's poetic. Anyway, that's gonna cost you 1 subscribe. And if a puddle of goo starts copying itself on your kitchen floor after this, don't call me.